So, you find yourself with a no crank, no start in your 93 through 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What do you do? Well, before you go out and spend money on a new starter, alternator, battery, neutral safety switch, there is one thing you should check out first, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, so before you spend money on any of the stuff, like starter and everything, there are two fuses you should check. One that will be the most likely cause of it is this one right here. This is for the AC blower motor, which for some reason when that fuse goes out, it will cause a no crank, no start in your Jeep. So replace that and your vehicle should start up or at least crank over. Then you can diagnose it from there.